Linggo na. Hindi ako mapanatag na simula nung Lunes, ang ipinapakita natin ay para bang walang nangyari, na para bang hindi nabastos ang ating institusyon at lalong hindi dapat inaasa sa mga Facebook Live ang pagtatahi-tahi ng mga pangyayari. Ganito na ba talaga kababa ang inabot ng ating politika sa Pilipinas? The situation stooped so low that here, may pwedeng magkasa ng baril sa harap ng mga sibilyan. Kahit kailan, hindi yan nangyari sa Pilipinas. Kahit panahon ng kudeta, not even during the darkest days of martial law, did gunfire erupt within our halls. Whether we stand in the minority or in the majority, the Senate as an institution has sustained a profound injury to its dignity, credibility, and moral authority before the Filipino people. When aggression is normalized and humiliation is treated as political currency, we cannot have a culture that proudly treats fellow Filipinos as enemies to be defeated, all in the name of clout. I refuse to believe na tayong mga Pilipino ay mga bulag na sumusunod sa sino mang politiko. I refuse to believe na wala nang natitirang malasakit, hiya o pagmamahal sa bayan. That is why we cannot act as though nothing happened last week. Alam natin ang tama at mali. May we prove worthy of the trust that our people have placed in us.